I lived for, I think, really 2 or 3 years when I was very small, maybe 3 or 4 years, but only with my mother in a very tiny village in a mountainous part of Iran. And there was one doctor for the entire village that I remember very vividly. So as a child, I wanted to be him. Even I can't remember his name. I grew basically with this hope that someday I will be a doctor. If you are suffering, it doesn't matter. You are affluent, you are poor. At that point of time, you are so vulnerable. And being a doctor would give me opportunity to help somebody that needs help. The mission is very clear that we need to move to West Africa. Otherwise, we cannot really confine the epidemic. And this is a tragedy to see young people, children, women, mothers, fathers, that they are dying. My wife was literally, definitely was a little worried. But as soon as I really explained to her that many of the mothers, they are losing their children, and many of the husbands, they are basically losing their wives, spouses, mothers, she was really encouraging. Said, you have to go. You have to go. In a matter of fact, she's really strongly encouraging me at this point of time. Even if I want to stay longer, stay longer. The only, I wish that I didn't have to take the job, I would go on and stay for maybe more than 6 months, more than 9 months, because I do not think we can come back at the end of the Ebola outbreak. Even if we successfully confine the epidemic, even by June, assume, or March, there is a lot of other things that we have to do. We have to put really infrastructure in place. We have to work in the communities. We have to really put nice small clinics in the entire part of the countries. We have to put a better surveillance system in place. We have to support their governments. We have to support the healthcare system in that country. We need to train their manpower. And this is going to be really years of the commitment. It's not going to be 3 or 6 or 5 months of the commitment to those countries. And I'm glad that I'm not alone. I've seen many of the people that even they are extremely inspirational in this respect. And I'm glad that I'm part of that movement that tries their best to accomplish really this vital objective matter for everybody. I know it's going to be very hard, but my definition of success is, at the end of the day, how much really I had impact on the life of others. Even if this is tiny impact on the life of the others, that makes me very, very happy.